Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Sita Aisha binti Ilyas with student ID 2201083, and here I am to explain some of the things required in our assignment 1. First of all, I will explain the why university students need to be exposed with outdoor program, and then the second one is the survival tool needed to defend ourselves and also to call out for rescue, and the last one I will explain about why every family need to have urban bug out bag, which is also considered as BOB. As you can see, here are the pictures of me and my friend doing outdoor activities like kayaking, camping, and hiking and many more. So I am a very outdoor person, so in this assignment I will explain why students university need to be exposed with outdoor program, because this is like a very fun thing to do. So I hope you enjoy the whole presentation. Personally, I think university students should be exposed with outdoor program. Why? Because there are a lot of advantages that can be obtained by the student from doing outdoor program. So one of the advantages is the personal development, cognitive performance, and also interpersonal skills. So as you can see here, for the personal development, we have resilience and adaptability, which is meaning that how you will survive at the outdoor. And then the second one is the risk assessment, which is meaning that you need to observe your environment, whether it is safe or not. And then the third one is the self-belief, which is you need to do a wise decision to survive at the outdoor. Either you do this or you do that. Next is cognitive performance. So what we have in cognitive performance is the first one, we have digital detox. Next, attention restoration, and also waning cortisol level. So why they are write digital detox? This is because of students now are very attached with social media and also internet. So we need outdoor activity to detach ourselves from outside world, which is from the social media and internet. The second one is attention restoration. This is because of students now have a low attention span for study, so they need outdoor activity to increase their attention span. So, and the last one is the waning cortisol level. This is very important among students because they need to be happy to study. Lastly is the interpersonal skills. So what we have in the interpersonal skills is collaboration and also practical problem solving. So collaboration is when we work together to do everything, including the decision and problem solving, and also how we want to survive in the outdoor. So second one is practical problem solving, is where we apply the theoretical we learn in class into the real life. The next slide is going to explain about surviving tools, which consisting self-defense and rescue. So for the first two box, supplies and first aid, shelter, food and water, is falls under self-defense, and for the last box, which is fire navigation, falls under rescue. So for the first box, supplies and first aid, is where it is consisting medicine to treat the wound, and then tools that might need to build a shelter, and also tools that can help in our self-defense. And for the second box is shelter and food and water, because as you can see, human cannot stand out there without water for more than 3 days and cannot stand out there without food for more than 3 weeks. This is why it is important for us to build the shelter and try to find the water and food that is edible. And for the last box, which is fire navigation, is very important because the fire, as you can see, can deter the wild animals from our shelter and from our place, which make our place is more safe to sleep and more safe to rest. So the last part is about urban bug out bag, which also called as BOB. So what is BOB? BOB is a survival kit with food, water, and other survival gear that are essential in sustaining living chances for at least 72 hours. So what is the advantages of having BOB in every family? At least one BOB. So one of the advantages is to enable quick evacuation, provides basic survival needs, and better survival chances. Why? This is because of BOB have personal protective gear, and also you have your personal medical kit, food and water for enough at least 72 hours, and then you have your hygiene, and then you have your tools for shelter, you have your self-defense or also communication and other survival gear like compass and everything. So BOB is essential for every family because you can support your family members with different needs, and also you can increase safety during disaster, because at the end of the day, during disaster, you don't have anyone to be rely on, you only have yourself. So this is where BOB play a big role in your life. And as you can see, BOB is always add the shady color like brown, gray, or maybe black, and never add a neon pink, neon green, or neon blue. This is to prevent the BOB from stands out, or to prevent it from being a center attention of people, because at the disaster moment, at the end of the day, it have a lot of items that might be beneficial for the artist, because the BOB is like a goal for the others, because it has all the items needed to build the shelter, to treat the wound, and also it have food, which is very important for us human being. I think that's why every family members need a BOB, which is urban bug-out bag, at least one in their family. That sums up everything. Thank you.